if you find yourself at the end of this video and you're like, that was cool, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Also, I just want to take this time to thank God, because this is the first time in my whole entire makeup life that I put lashes on my face successfully. You guys, I have never gotten eyelashes on, I put lashes on other people, but on my own face, y'all, this was just encouraging to me, because now I feel like I could do anything. Like, if I could put lashes on my face, I could be the president of the United States. I could be anything. I am every woman. Okay? And it's just a message to you guys. Never give up. Never. Hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you guys that have been here since the beginning, since like 2 videos ago, I want to say thank you for coming back. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This will not be a channel by me if it had nothing to do with makeup. You guys know how much I love makeup. If you know me, I love makeup, and so I decided to just go ahead and bring that to the channel real quick. This was hard, and I just want to say right now, I appreciate all those people that take the time and effort and energy out of their day to put up makeup videos on YouTube. You guys, I appreciate you, because this is hard, y'all. This is hard. All right, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching.
To the world of sound. The world of sound. And now we have struck a square. A square.
Garbage.
Sure, I packed this color on. I probably went over my lids about 3 or 4 times.
Garbage. It could have been the same conversation. Danger.
Right now I'm using using the primer from the Sephora collection. I was trying to find it online to see which one it was because I did not buy the entire one. I took a sample, but I couldn't find it on there, and I didn't realize it had a glow to it. And I also went ahead and added my Makeup Forever Step 1 primer on my T-zone because that's where I really get oily. Handle that. Why you gotta beat up Austin? Okay, this is too many layers already. I would definitely say this foundation is medium to full coverage. And now I'm going in with a brush because I'm thinking maybe my sponge is sucking up the product. So I went in with a brush and it was too much. So I went back in with the sponge. And I think at this point I was like, okay, I can deal with this. The two concealers I'm using here are the NYX HD concealers, and this is my first time using them, and I really like them together. It was I think the honey golden, or the golden honey, and the tan or the toffee. I don't remember what color it was, but I'm going to have it in the description box. One thing I don't like about it though is the applicator. It's so small, and I feel like I had to continuously like dip the applicator in the bottle to get enough product out. I didn't like that. As you can see, I didn't keep it on for long. I don't like baking. I more microwave my setting powder. I don't like keeping that powder under my eye or on my face for too long. It doesn't look good ever. So I was in Walmart the other day and I found Milani's colored eyeliners, and they were just sitting there in a box randomly on the shelf for $1.25. So I picked up all the ones I could find. After setting with my powder, I went in with the CoverGirl bronzer, and I also went ahead and did my lashes for the first time off camera. So I already did my lashes, and my inner tear duct color is about to pop up on the screen. So I actually use rose water to spray my face like randomly throughout the makeup process. Right now I'm putting on the Sephora Golden Hour highlighter, and I don't like it. Tried using a different fan brush, see if it made a difference, and nope, I don't like it. At this point, I was like, forget it. I decided that it was going back to the store, and I just went back to my holy grail, which is the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Yes, I put blush across my nose. I put it at the perimeter around my face, especially by my forehead. I feel like it just brings the look together. If you like Chestnut from MAC, this lip liner is, when I tell you, run to Sephora and get this lip liner, because I think it's definitely less than the Chestnut lip liner and it works just as good. Do you see how it's showing up on my chocolate melanated skin? I love it, and it's so creamy. Because I decided to change the lip that I was gonna do, I went ahead and just outlined my lip with Currant lip liner from MAC, or maybe that was Nightmoth. It'll be in the description box. And I went ahead and used that above the liner that I used from the Sephora collection. This is Media from MAC. This lip stain is from the Sephora collection. I'll have the name of it in the description box. And I really like the formula. It's very comfortable. It didn't get dry. And I went out the house after this, and I was out for like 3 hours. And it didn't come off. It was just, it's a good formula. I really like it. And now I'm spraying my face with the Sephora setting spray. It was good. My makeup lasted for the time that I had it on, but I mean, it wasn't special. It was okay. And now I'm just pouncing the setting powder into my face, and I'm going back again with that same blush color from Sephora.